this video, we are going to learn boxing and unboxing concept in C Sharp. First of all, we take one ASP.NET Web Applications.NET framework, give name for our project. After that, we will take one web form, go to design, take two buttons, you can simply copy paste, check this button text as boxing and unboxing. After that, we'll take one label and remove this label text. When user click on boxing, what will happen? And when user click on unboxing, what are the actions to be performed? These all actions we will write in this button code. This is for button 1, boxing, and this is for unboxing. First of all, we write boxing code. In boxing, what will happen? Integer type of data or any other type of data that is converted into object or reference data type, and in unboxing, reference data type is converted into the previous one. So this is the basic concept of boxing and unboxing. First of all, we will see like boxing and unboxing in C Sharp. So here they give us that how to create boxing and unboxing. So this is boxing code. In boxing, some data type is there, and this integer data type is then converted into object. How we convert this into objects? For converting it into object, we will write object, then we will give some container for storing that object and use this variable name where 23 is stored, and this is the basic boxing code. And for unboxing, we will simply, this is the boxing code. This boxing is converted into unboxing using this variable object, and that is converted into int because initially it is integer data type. So after converting this into integer, we will store that number into another variable for storing this. So this 23 value is also stored in integer I. So this is the basic boxing and unboxing concept. When the value is stored like this, it is stored on stack, and when the value is stored in this object, it is stored on heap. So after that, we will write our code here. So we will give name as value type for storing our integer data like 45. Then we create boxed as a variable for storing this value type. So here this 45 value is boxed here using this object keyword. So after that we will display this boxed value. We'll display our value, that is store so this will display like boxing value type 45 is boxed into object 45 because this 45 value is stored in boxed variables. After that we will write type code for unboxing object. We give this variable name as box and store value 20 in value type. This is used for converting so when user click on this unboxing, so value 45 is first of all value type, then it is converted into boxed as 45, and object 20 is first of all object, then it is converted into value type.